I'm so disappointed kay VP Sara. In her effort not to play politics, she's actually playing politics. Dahil she rode on the platform of unity, should be the one to facilitate the unity, even within her own family. So mga kotsero, eto ngayon ang ganap. Si VP Sara rode on the platform of unity. Hindi naman ginugulo ni PBBM yung pamilya niya eh. Tapos all of a sudden, yung pamilya niya went on a tirade against the president. Dapat siya yung maging arbiter.
Kakausapin ba niya ang kanyang pamilya para hikayating suporta ng Pangulo? Dumistansya si VP Sara.
I have no comment on that at the moment.
Kailan ka magkaka-comment, VP Sara? Bagay sila magsama ni Senator Amy. Isang nakakaloka queen tsaka isang no comment queen.